Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Yarekhoda sesiqalisile khona
hlabele maranatha mfana ocherry bathi
angaphuma condom. We need some protection, yo.
can't just be raw dogging everything. You raw dog life, you raw dog girlfriend, you raw dog mind.
So ulele Red Bull. So guys, Dabalithi says on.
We live.
Hello.
Hectic.
Ilanga lingikhipha phela thina into yiphi mfowethu?
Bro, do you know there is no non-gay way of putting this on.
Bro,
Pause.
I've actually noticed that you guys now have some gay tendencies on this platform.
What tendencies are those, my boy? This is when mfana ngathi singo presenter be ZBC.
Indaba zifundwa ngomgcini
Ngomgcini lomonde M&M. Izwe zizendaba. Ubuzithi kwinokugeje.
Just a few days back, omunye umjite groupini was like, please come pick me up.
Spanish. Manin, pause on that.
Please pick me up.
One. Lena ngizothi ingoma zama-baddies imnandi.
Hey,
Spanish.
Yabo kuzeni? Liano, I do my titties. I so does cabana my nickies.
Ingoma zama-baddies ishavo.
Sebe singama-pubs. Yazi ama-pubs. Mina lo Jane singama-pubs.
Clock. Ama-pubs ngakaniki.
Yeah.
Ama-makhadi kuthiwa ngamani.
Ngama-bees. Ngazidlalela.
Ngikwazi.
I'm joking.
Dog, kulomunye kanti ngangilawe wena bese uclock ithu le formula ungamenza
Kuthiwa Tabani.
Kule formula.
Yeah.
Mawusithi so.
Clock it is this. But if this you are gay.
Yeah.
So this means I suck dick.
That's how they translate.
That's how
it.
they translate it. So wena uyabubhizi smokehouse usithi bekubhekile.
But But anyways, I was saying, you guys now have some gay tendencies.
Nah, bro, you have to tap into
As
your
a man, why are you saying, please pick me up?
X-ray, semfikile.
Show and tell.
Says Kala.
That's the thing. Garofa.
And if we talk about now, umuntu lo anzwa ngikhuluma ibizwe lakhe, but he's part of the podcast as well. This
This who? Sure.
I'm planning a trip, yabo. Like
Sure,
I want to
sure,
go on
sure,
holiday.
sure.
Exe. So he's away. He's like, bro,
Okay, he comes.
can you buy something for me? I'm like, June. What is
Walk
it? Walk on. This bro.
Funa my pets.
Ufuna ngimthengela ama-underwear. That's what Umjide lo.
What the fuck, man?
Manje wena man, isize zakho zabe.
No lalela. Yazi ngamphendula ngathini? Ngicela uyi-imagine into le. Baby. Ask Julie Mr. Price.
Perhaps
Singelo Mondli.
ipaint. But if you want to make it really cool, amanje umthengela ka Spider-Man.
Yeah, but manje karesi mina ngiyakuthengela ama-underwear fana kuzamele ukuzo stripper phambi kwami.
Yabona amandla
Amnanda. Ngiyananzelela ukuthi abafana these days ngani.
No, Jackie, kuthiwa sassy. Kuthiwa sassy. But you have to, I think abantu who are not comfortable in that space.
Lanphela be part of the
Yiba
podcast.
bagay.
Lifuna ukuhlala phansi kumbe lifuna ukwenzana?
Why are you meandering like an evil spirit?
Just sit down if you want to sit.
Also, why kumele lihambe liyi-2? Well, Pepana, you were right.
What's going on, boys?
This one. Tata.
No, but it's not going
Hey, how far?
We see, bro.
Sharp, what's going on?
I was in Kukanuga, man.
You see?
I've never been Kukanuga,
It's in Kanu.
I've never been Kukanuga, check right.
I don't lie, boys. That song bangs.
No, you're right.
Hey, but it's been
when I'm Bonti, so like mboyenge mvakache podcast, eh? Because you guys be saying
Even But we see, bro.
yeah, and see him tell how much Spanish was sharp. Ulabantu emvuma ninga ama shout outs. So anje Span.
Sure.
So kulabantu ababukelayo like you kuzeni.
Live.
Stuff yabo, but ngabe ngiconfront ukuthi hey we saw you. I'm like no, that's not me, bro.
It's not real life.
But yilokuyana ukuthi yabona istudio leseni sasicatshe ngemva kweslide.
Modesty. Yes, Kio. So you see modest.
Mbongo
Sure,
ukuthi
mana.
Chombani. Kulo Carlos.
Shout out Carlos.
Ebe ku birthday yakhe futhi recently.
Happy birthday. 1 year closer to your funeral.
Kulo kuzeneni. Kulo Mayenzi.
Ushayini Dlwabi.
Umayenzi.
Ushayini Dlwabi Tubingani. Azungikhumbuza status sakhe. Ushaya.
Ungazibona suyishaya.
Ungabukelanga na video.
Ungasavingala ususebenza wena imfanekiso yakho.
But economic. Yeah, kulo my hands. Shout out hands.
Yeah, shout out to my niggas.
5 aside. By 2.
Yeah, Z.
I always forget. I always think I'm gonna give people shout outs, but like when I'm here, I forget.
Hello, baby, obviously.
And when my scamming, my chance wait. Why you rapper baby mic so?
Lathi ngathi sibambe nge lokuzeni
There is no.
Orale ngama stand up comedy na.
Oh yeah.
Ngani yet.
You take that.
Drops the mic. Couldn't apply.
Oh shit. Unjani mnganami?
Ngisharp Jay.
You know what, bro?
Njengakwazi skills enzima.
Ukakaseni this time.
That's why. Kule story. Akazi ukuthi abanikazi be-story lesibaza. Kuzafika.
Unga name drop.
But ngazizwa kuthiwa kule chomi elalizama ukutshela like usupervisor wale eSpanish ukuthi lihlatshwa isihlabo.
When isihlabo kuyini?
Before ngutshela ukuthi chomi lona lafika lathini wena
isihlabo kuyini?
Uhamba utshela uboss wakho ukuthi uhlatshwa isihlabo.
Hey bro, I'm not feeling so good. As a role play. Pause.
Okay.
Sure. Damn, bro, what do you even say?
As the chomi mthwala afika
Latin.
lathini. Good afternoon say.
Good, nice.
Yes.
10 out of 10.
I can't do this.
Yazi ukuthi afala aba izidupu kube ukhona la wasepressing.
I can't do.
Guys, sorry, we have no one pressing.
So sirecorda Z2
C2 la. Hopefully bafakile icard and everything else makes sense.
I can't do this.
Kufaka indawo yakho ka happy.
Ukhuluma kanjani ukuthi ndo diskiwa senzima ndo. But otherwise how you
right, bro?
Long
can't
time.
Complain, dog.
Yeah.
I can't complain. As ukuthi ku weird ukuthi ngikhuluma lawe ngisithi long time.
Yeah, because it's not long time. Long time away, yeah.
Yeah, lava for them.
Yeah, long time. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast. Ingxoxo 99. Sesiku episode ba.
Jesus, I have no idea, bro.
And ngama episode la nokuthi asiplana ngalutho ben.
Another one of those.
Yeah.
Hopefully, as cancelled.
Hayi ukuthi singadlule last week.
Kumele wathi.
Yeah. Njengani?
Mina dog ngilabazali, bro. Like,
Hayi dog mina.
hayi mina ngiyesaba ezizinto.
Lezi
Ngiyazama.
izinto engingeke ngizikhulume kodwa lami la.
Maybe ngasiyi-two.
ngizikhulume.
Ibesitsho nje phandle ukuthi dog
Yeah, i-content esisha.
content
off cam.
right. Yeah, no, off cam, yo. Bro, off cam ukuthi nje singaba single, but yeah, singa compromise ama relationship amaningi.
No,
But you switch mlami.
Ngizizwe
This time
kiba
uhambe ngaki hours.
ngikwazi bro. Mina vele ungambona like mina ku podcast ungambona appear like 3 times. Like ungibona ka 3.
Sunguyi visitor.
Hayi. Isikhathi sesihambile. Ubumele ubuyenze something like I'm saying not ukuthi kulandelana. But ngare sungambona mbeya ku podcast so. The next time uzambona khona mbeya ku podcast.
Kumele usu progress.
Kumele usu achieve something in life. Do something crazy.
That's it, do something crazy.
Forex.
Mina dog, speaking of, I really think scammers should start teaching people how to scam.
You know.
No, you can't keep telling us it's the grind when ukwazi ukuthi uyascam. Sifundise lathi siscam. Bo small kufana bo small girl big god.
Hayi kuthi bathi sesiattack amankazana futhi.
Mina ikunthi ama scammer amajita.
Oh.
Okay. Jitas, as also we want to go auto first with nice cars.
But the pressure lan.
Of course.
Do you think amajita vele asikhuluma ngasikhuluma ngathi la. Do you think amajita ayazifaka pressure sometimes?
Actually, amajita azifaki pressure
I feel
when
like
there are women involved.
Sayezakhuluma ngento.
That's akhuluma. Thina nxa sisodwa sigrand.
Amajita atshintsha nge-character dog.
Faki cherry. Right. I'm so happy you are here. Amajita, whenever there's a girl involved, bro. Amajita, I feel stupid, bro.
Yeah.
Dog, the love of a good woman will change you.
Yeah.
Not even a good woman. The love of a woman in general will change you, bro. Yazi usona amajita kawala focus.
Alila focus vele.
Yasi. But liyangiphambanisa. Not even, bro. Ngiyabe sengu advise.
Yeah.
Sithi njengoba ka test J. Ngathiwa imali yakho yonke leyo yenzayo. Ukuthi ngathiwa uyaloba.
Hayi fusek. That's
what I mean, bro. And that is why amajita amaningi bengadila la ku relationship enjalo. Akapholi, bro.
Yeah.
You can't come back from that one.
But onye futhi I think I-pressure kusuka kucina sokuyi-pressure masokwe ukuthi usuziboleka izimali yabona like ukuthi wenze ezinye izinto. Yabo? Like umuntu yakwanisa umjoldi angikwanisi. Lapho uvumelana lamo.
Fana uba le tape ebhawa ukuthi unatha namuhla ubhadale kusasa. Xa ungena mali yanamuhla. Why? Unatha kusasa. Antu uzaba la kusasa. Unatha kusasa. But maybe it's kunyiswa poverty. Maybe we really don't know this.
Yeah, maybe ngase relate, but boys,
I don't know, man. If you don't got it, you don't got it.
Lingavumi pressure.
A lot of us are lying, especially on social media. I'll keep saying
But
this.
mna manga man. Ule social media yake nothing ikango. Naligazi elipost. Naligazi elipost.
I've always tried to. I know it's social media, but I try and make it like as close to reality as possible. I also ngithole ngiphezu koma sofa ngama champagne sithi mfi ngoba next week ngiyabe ngela data. So I don't want to be that guy, bro.
Ngihlala ngicela abantu data. Shout out to my friends that buy me data.
Yeah, man, shout out to my friends that my friends in general liyangitolerate. Lingabangani bami. Ngihlanya nginje.
But social media pressure ungayivumi mfana.
I would like peli hectic, especially if you're impressionable, bro. Like yakwazi ukuthi generation yethu is so hectic. Ngoba umuntu oyi age yakho udrive imoto engazidrivela nguyihlo, but they won't tell you how they made that money.
Ngenye inkinga nale ukuthi bembone ivideo kuthiwa wonke umuntu like sonke bro karesi sonke sizitshela ukuthi sizaba ngama-millionaire.
Maybe uzasebenza eTTI
Vele sesingasabali khona oku, bro.
yimpilo.
Like wonke umuntu uzitshela ukuthi mele like I should make it as if kathesi ukuthola umsebenzi nalo lawo.
He's not making it.
It's not making it.
Akula muntu ozabe kunika imali dog unless uyinkazana and layo futhi it's not free. So iyona le into ekunika $10 ngemonth.
Yabo.
Take it seriously. You making it yakho yona le.
Yinto naleyo ukuthi abantu karesi wonke umuntu uzitshela ukuthi sizaba ngama-millionaire.
Yeah, sonke sifuna kuba hot. Yakwazi ukuthi i-clout. I-clout is a crazy drug like
Yeah.
and you see it everywhere. Uthi hala.
Lapho
Lapha
kuyafika.
sokufuna ngale i-clout ina. Yabo?
But anyways.
I-clout is hectic dog. Uhamba usiba recognized. That's why your car has to be the loudest and the nicest and the fastest. Ngoba ufuna umbonani, imbonani is real bro.
Mina mfana ngiyazitholela nje kuyi-nice Honda Fit. Lana
Still
futhi
a car.
ajovisayo la.
It's still a car bro.
Faka umsystem onjani le tint.
Mthingi ube ngumtho.
Ngiyabe ngazwakali.
Ngumtho.
Sayo
Mtho esabatheni umfana ogran.
yeah. Sayo track.
Free.
So track.
Aza kula
But yeah.
album ikesitropile but uTory Lanez udropini.
Yeah, ngizokuthoka umnandi. Ingoma zama-niggas imnandi.
Yeah, dog.
But before ngilokuza like ngikhohle into ade ngifuna ukukhoma ngayo. There's a video that I saw. This is a video that I saw on
Yonke
TikTok.
vela njayelanga.
These are not my thoughts. Umjito la besithi ke kube le situation ukuthi like bro you're just showing your hand this like reel or maybe this meme or
pillow talk.
or this old picture of yours like you're sharing the screen because we share screens.
Wait.
Some of us are locked in.
Go
like-
back.
Yeah, go back. Go back. Anyways, I see Kolo.
Sure.
Usamtshengisa laphana like i-screen. Pa. I-message from umuntu bro wacina ukukhuluma la
Ngo-2024.
2024
3.
useduzane.
Or even
2022.
COVID.
Peak COVID lapha. Peak silhouette.
That I miss you. Lighting.
Kumbathi hey babe adi
Hi, hey babe, phela sungumdomplay. I miss you.
umbathi I miss your dick.
Ela okay abayi.
Capital letters. Kumba
Wait till
decide
you start, bro.
umahla decide ukuthi akuthi va.
Nge-nuclear.
Yeah. Last number. Bahaza.
What do you say?
Explain uthini indaba enjalo like uqala nga.
Kuyathiwa what delete ama-chats.
Hey, thakula message eqala
Kula message eqala ngesibunu.
Ngonjani? Ngonjani? Hi. Good. Izolo. Phela ama message lo muganga.
Fana ukuthi iphone kaCherry. Uthi ucheck ama-message ubona ukuthi the only other nigga that was talking to her is from 2015.
Moses.
Come on dog.
Yeah.
Come on bro.
But man, ungamsola kodwa ukuthi umuntu oza delete stuff esinjalo. Because
Fana lokuthunywa morning after. Fana lokuthunywa morning after dog. Ngithi mina bro, ngicela phela ungithengele morning after lapha. Umngani kaMedem akubone uthwele mfana.
Ubusebenza e-pharmacy.
Uyibabas. How soon as a pharmacy, at least you can say it's for a client. I'm saying, I have asked you.
No, I'm saying umngani kamadam
Usebenza
usebenza
e-pharmacy.
e-pharmacy.
Bombo clot.
Then mina mbona
Umama is out of town.
ngakho eZimbabwe.
Ngakho eZimbabwe.
Like angazi ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuzwa futhi labo Cherry ukuthi like i-situation enjalo.
Lihandla njani?
How do you expect me as a guy like ukuthi ngireact njani?
Ngeke ngisibhayi.
Iphathi isingenile lapha i-message pha. I miss you. Umuntu wacina kudala ukukhuluma naye. Ureact uthini bro?
Yakuphelele bro. Like you can't lie. Yazi tactic lana ethi like interrogation. Ukuthi baku-interviewer ekuseni lapha usanda kuvuka. Bani vuka. Mbona umcimbi? Mbona benza khona you can't lie dog. Anyway, you are mango waqamba necessarily on allow because the truth you just
Hayi situation
baby
le.
ukuthi umuntu lo
Bese
kudala-
ngarecord. My jeans. Fire. Fuck you guys.
You're lying, bro. The phone cracked, but we have audio. 18, bro.
Ilokuze nini? Ivideo ninganani? Give me 2 minutes.
So we've got about the past 7 minutes. Aswa siyafaka iloko. Siyabhala ukuthi this is Mtho and Babo's
And
fault.
Babo's fault. Because it's your
up.
fault.
How is it our fault? If one even go
Uh-uh.
this the other time.
Vele konke anti must record lina
Lelikho. Kumele kube kupress lo yazi amabheng ase yi-50. Esiwafakileyo la.
Dodo wesikhulume ngento eziyiswiki la. Sengicabanga manje ukuthi yini esikhulume ngayo. Uthatha imike.
Okay, is it recording now? Siyabaceba, bro. If you guys have to put us on blast, it's these niggas' fault, man. Thokozisi lo Prince ubabongile.
Yeah.
Ngoma. Wena ungokubani sibongweni?
But anyways, kule ndawo
yeah.
esikhuluma ngayo la.
Yeah.
Ukuthi
I think ngifaka emlonyeni.
Let dumbe.
no. Angiyokukhuthi umlo. Mi ice cream udla njani?
Intasikeni.
Ilo
Ice
kunjani?
cream yayichupha ndoda njengendoda.
Ilo kunjani?
Indoda yakhupha ice cream akwazi.
Hayi wena intasikeni uyenzani wena?
But anyways,
Udla ufish.
yazazi sardines.
Ngiyazi sardines.
Alright. Mbuze.
Siyasho la ukuthi as uhlezi lo chero wakho lapha. Like innocently, like lizihlalele lishe ama reels or you are sharing your screen wena. Because anti thina we do share screens. Yabo as
Lover boys.
As lover boys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We're locked in.
And then it happens ukuthi during kungena message from uCherry maybe wamgcina or an ex ka
Deep throat.
2021 nuclear.
Not even, bro. I said it 2020 because in like COVID, everyone was talking to everyone.
Yeah, 2020.
2020.
Awuthumeli lokhuze nini from nowhere.
And ndoda labana umhlaba yosifana ungiginge sibili ngoba
Chasisa njani?
ngiyachazisa njani ndoda?
Chasisa
Ngiyaqisela.
uthini?
Asende mfanisi bunu ati she misses you.
Lapho like
Lapho seli
akula
6
like
years
akula
lingakhulumi,
nto like
bro. Elihlanganisayo.
elihlanganisayo. Like 0.
Bra lana ichaziseki sibili like lapha ngiyavuma ngithi angijingela nxa ungijingela.
You're
But that
making
makes
it
you a
worse.
liar. Because why uxolisela into ongayenzanga?
Hey, because manje suvuma vele.
Usuvuma icala.
Hey,
Ayisikuvuma icala bro, like mina nizama ucabanga ukuthi okay what's going through her head right now, even if I tell her ukuthi no leli lokhuzeni ka 2020
Elikusendela isibuno namuhla.
elikusendela isibuno namuhla.
Saka nazi into worried up.
Uthi wena zadecide ukuthi wena
Side namuhla.
uthumela isibuthelezi.
Oh my days, bro.
lokana kodwa bro I don't know akutricky.
Yeah, ama situations are I think yikho futhi okunyoqhathikileyo ukuthi
I-trust. Yazi ukuthi maybe ungaba lo muntu omazi okwanisa ukumphikela, bro.
i-trust iveli khona
Ukuthi nje umuntu
no,
awumphikele.
like i-trust iveli khona mondle. But yabona lawo mela ngufihla ukuthi u-relationship.
No, but okay, can I ask, sorry, same
Go
point.
ahead, man.
Sure.
Is there an appropriate time ukuthi receive nuclear?
Ukuthi ureceive
Nuclear.
Hayi, this is not a timing issue.
No. Sembuza a separate question.
No.
Is there an appropriate time?
No.
Because like sometimes selling at dubuka sibili nuclear.
Kahle kahle nuclear libuye nango 6 nango 10 nepsu anytime.
Sure,
I-nuclear yazi ukuthi i-nuclear elichazayo ngongalilindanga.
Lona leli abungalilindanga elibuyihlezi lo
Hayi,
mfazi.
but any program manje hayi ngithi elivela kumfazi wakho. I-nuclear elivela kumfazi wakho.
But lapha sikhuluma ngenuclear elibona lapho ubuzeli kabantu futhi.
Ubuza i-nuclear lomfazi kumbe
anyone, to be honest.
Hayi
thina siyajola.
inuclear lo mfazi phela ukhuluma labantu
Alright, mana singathela umfazi because lo mfazi yabekwazi ukuthi ubusenza.
asilfuni
Where are you? From
Elingasilo
someone
lo
else.
mfazi.
Elingasilo lo
ne
mfazi.
PR answer asilfuni
Nah, I prefer not to speak.
not to speak
If I
because if I speak
I'll be
There's
in
video
the-
evidence.
no
lapha.
comment
Yeah.
no comment I
comment. But yeah, yabona situation enjalo Jay.
don't send
Benzakhulumela ukuthi akusilela situation yani
awuchithanga
trust bro. Like kebe sokungenile
ngasho yakwazi ukuthi problem manje a lot of people confuse secrecy with privacy kudla ukuthi abantu babekwazi ukuthi uyajola akukho necessary ukuthi babekwazi ukuthi ujola loba
Yeah. But esikhathini eziningi kuma situations anjalo umuntu okusakazayo uyabe ngakwazi.
uyabekwa dog women girlies abecava bro
Yeah.
abecava do you know what this is like my dog it's like you getting mad because
Look is recording phela so many slides check.
Asante. Is it
It's a
done?
record, it's a record.
Okay.
It's like you getting mad because niggas want your girl.
Man. Like
You can't fight that one.
ucetshelwa thina omgcini singalamali.
Esingasinti. Bakhona abangacetshelwayo. Oh, good morning, gorgeous. You understand? You can't fight every brood that wants your girl. You deal with your girl, bro.
Yeah, but I feel like yabona ama situation anjalo ya requires ibile immaturity siwe.
Ngoba phela abantu abahlanye. So ngibona ngitshela lo ubuhle bakhe bona nguwe wedwa.
But wena man, asi reverse. Andisithe wena ngowe o receiver.
Sure.
Uchero wakho itshengisa wena ama reels. Bamsakaze nge
Du, karikahlanya boy.
last number. Mawuyibheka Grand Sharp
Anaconda mfana ka. Mthonku.
impupoli.
mfana. Anaconda.
Yeah. Ingene pha. Vele usuyibone ngomsiphi saseblame.
Mfana uyakhumbula impama leyani eyakuchayayo. Indlebe yathi that's literally
Ngihlisa njani isitori lesi? Yeah.
yakhumbula iboys leyana kuJonas ibona
Aya kanya.
Alright.
yakhumbula iboys leyana ibona itime layo lesidlula indani that's akula yabona ireaction leya
But ngama
yathiwa
situation
panic attack
Jay like mina
okay require immaturity ye marriage
situation enjalo like izinto kade ngazake ngicabange ngazo. But ngithe ngibona ivideo la I was like wait.
what the like akula
Wenzani? But
Those are
anyways,
grounds for crash out bro
but anyways ayisiyo yonke imbuzo omele sibe le lokuzene.
mina speaking of TikTok videos bro enye ikhona enye ngiyibonileyo and I'm paraphrasing this guy was basically saying Guti, I'm a man who believes women deserve the world. Women deserve beautiful things. But I do too. I do too. Ukuthi mina ngiyindoda doesn't mean I deserve ukutreatwa like shit. I'm not saying ngikhuhla umhlane, but it doesn't mean you treat me like shit just because ngiyindoda. And this is coming from kule video leni yachunwa ngabo. What are these girls, bro? These South African girls.
Seaman.
Yeah, they were saying men these days are sassy. Men used to go to war. Kwasha kwacim.
You
get me? So
come pick me up.
Yeah. Clock still. Kodwa mina ngithi asakwazi ukuthi sibe njani, bro. Sihambe silwa sibhonga. Because I think gents deserve nice things, bro. Like
so lapha sikhuluma
uma ngumember kusho ukuthi usuzinikela edubeni.
So lapha sikhuluma ngecontext yelokuze nini?
Umjolo
life in
all
general.
round, bro. Nxa ujola lawe you deserve ukuphathwa kahle. Siphathwa. And in life nje impilo asodubo phela. Kulabantu phela bathanda ukuromanticize udubo, which is the terrible thing. There's not, there's light at the end of the tunnel.
The wife material phela ngochero ovuma ukudubeka. According to you guys.
No, according to Ocher.
No, according to Amajita. The wife material ngomfazi wethi noma ngala cent like she's here hungry with me. That's what you guys think.
Ntona ufuna umfazi ozakuchiya. Ngoba ula cent.
No, mawukuthi ufuna isendi kahambe bro.
Then that's not your wife, innit?
Yeah, but
So if she's not your wife,
ungazondi vele.
mina ngatsho
Also,
ngathi
wena
it's the
sufuna
name of
ukutshintsha
the game,
umuntu.
my chance. Impilo le understand any industry likiyo le. You understand, bro? If you know this girl, if there's no money, she leave.
Yeah, but in
Yiko
terms
kona
of
lokho.
in terms of ukuthi
Yi game okiyo, bro. You can't, don't hate the player, hate the game. Umuntu obonile la ukuthi lapha ngibenefit.
man, I think the treatment, bro. Lokhu sokusiya friendships, romantic what
Phathanani kuhle man. Kani?
khona kana khulumile.
Yeah, dog, like this thing is simple.
Phathanani
Phathanani kuhle, bro.
And
Ukuthi umuntu indoda yakho doesn't mean useyisiqhili sakho.
Yeah.
Like
Plus
ukuthi umuntu nguchiro wakho doesn't mean somele umphathe kubi ngenxa ukuthi uyakuthanda, bro. Like do not take advantage of ubuhle babantu towards you.
yawazini bro.
La ngikhulume nje umuntu omdala la.
Into leyisi ngiyabona songane suku usuthatha.
Akuclock lapho. Hayi lo ngowezitabane.
Ngiyakubona usuthatha. But all I'm saying is yabona Jay ma uphila labantu yabo. Ilebala lesikhiyo kuthiwa reciprocation. Yeah.
I give you, you give me.
Golden
I touch you, you touch me.
golden rule. Impilo injalo Jay, whether ngomjolo,
Whether ubungani.
friendships, ubuhlobo, i-treatment onika yona i-treatment enza
I think this is why girls struggle with friendships. I think it's in their innate nature to be self-centered. Shoot me.
But nakhona mase generalize.
Yeah, just generalizer because I mean, men are trash. Get generalized. But I'm saying it's very rare to find girls who are friends for more than 5 years straight.
Yeah, mankazana.
It's because of indaba reciprocation. Do you get me? I can know to for like 5 years ngamazibizo like and we're good. Angiboleka imali ngimbolekile.
Sure, boss.
Singazani. Kanti ngitshela bana awaswinya kuphakulela topiso kuvuthwe ubuzothatha. Ngifind out ngebirthday yakhe ngumbe ngelanga lakhe lomtchado ngimkhapha.
Because le birthday yakhe futhi
I'm
like
actually laughing you're making that example of me because I think for the first 3, 4, 5 episodes I was in Zylap, I didn't know your name.
what the
Yeah, bro.
But sasibuya lapha sibe sharp.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Whereas Ocheri, I'll give you an example. Even when girls go out, my boy, they split the bill and they split it to the fucking T.
Mina nginathi
Mina
i-ice
sithe $10. Unamasithovu yele 5. Yabe sithi uyanga.
engenamali.
Angenamali. Jitazi unithi
And
mthole
siyaba
moto
khona lokho.
mthole moto mbani. Ubabo ulama baby
Ke breeze lo
ke
ma
breeze lama hose. Yes sir.
Hey thuche mbemba isithi bebani mina ke. Zibe sezi.
Okay, bebani.
Ezivalele phandle.
Hey, maybe bethe come right now, bring a friend for my friend.
Ke kuthiwa no emergency mina vele
Mina
ngiyabulala vele
ngusoma
ngama
hose.
hose.
Yiko mina ngabaleka ukuba ngusoma hose emajita.
Awangizuma hose hayi.
Ukuba ngusoma hose awukosha
No hose,
also.
yeah. Plus,
Oh,
I mean,
have you ever realized? Here's the plot twist, yeah? You think you have hose until you realize you're the hoe. They're passing you around, my dog.
Plus okunye bro.
Amankazana 15 sekwazi unqunu wena.
Into le illusion le
Bonke
yokuthi
bayazana. And so uthi bakhuluma ngawe bengabhorakala.
into le ije illusion vele ukuthi wena uzitshela ukuthi unama options. And asibali mankazana asibali majita. Like wonke umuntu bro. Sharp, let's say wena karesu uthi ulama options. Ulama options, ulama holes. Bakwazi ukuthi uthi ngama
Ngama option yakhe ngiyeza ukuthi i-option ubone ngani ngahlali
like
i-option.
mawukuthi wena confident like that ukuthi wena ungumuntu olelo kuze nini.
Guys, my stylist is calling. Shontana.
Ma khuluma lo wena. Ngikhulume ngedwa.
Vente tu mtho.
Bengikhuluma ngale mtho.
Asekhohliwe bro. Was it hey. So when can I leave with your camera?
Fana sengikhohliwe mfana. But anyways, keep on check we see.
I'm not sharp. Jake, right, actually, question. I saw something someone had posted it up a city being called wife material is someone saying all I'm good for in life is ukuphekela lokuwatchela. and doesn't actually truly encompass like all the things that I've put in ukuthi ngibe ngumama who I am right now. So umbuzo ukuthi, is that from a guy's perspective,
Sure.
is that a true thing? Before la ngifake yami imbono, like, do you think right nxa isitsho njalo or nxa sithi nxa majita sithi this is wife material, it's a different like explanation than what yena akutsho?
Mana yena i-wife material yini?
Uthi nxa sithi wife material utsho ukuthi all I'm good for is ukuwatshela lo ukuphekela. That's what you're saying.
Inkazana le itsho njalo.
Inkazana ithi nxa sithi inkazana yi-wife material utsho ukuthi that's all that they are good at doing.
Ayo sibangela umsindo. Sirekoda lapha wena.
Ajajing, wena wethu. Hamba njajing. Is in the frame.
Yeah.
Jajing. Clean.
Simnandi mjaya. Yi podcast yangikhona le. Umtho uthi kule nkazana la ekade sithi yona.
Qala ngokuthi hi.
Let me tell you, Kelly's boy. Ohlube shock dungakezwe.
Inkazana yangikhona ithi yona nxa amajita lesithi wife material ikhuluma ukuthi uchero zakuphekela ozenzani futhi
watshela
lo watshela.
Yes.
Go on.
Oh, lifuna incazelo ngento is obvious. Boys, la nxa kuthiwa husband material anti kukhulunywa ngomuntu who will provide. Is that not it? A problem solver. Is that not it? Are those not the things that you want in a husband?
No.
Let me tell you, this is where people get it wrong, yeah? A lot of women get it wrong where they feel like a high value woman is someone who has PhDs, drives a crazy car. No. For gents, a high value woman, ngumfazi mina ongiphethe kahle endlini. And if it means ukuthi umfazi ongiphethe kahle endlini ngongimphekelayo angiwatshele engihlonipha. That's a high value woman. Gents don't give a shit about your PhD. Ngoba PhD yakho in economics or whatever ingenzelani in this household? Nothing.
Hayi lethi imali endlini ndoda. Naphikizana lawe to
Angiyali man.
To some
Wena
extent.
ufuna wena uthi ukhuluma in terms of economics mcini. But I mean ngikhuluma ukuthi if you have a wife, she doesn't even need to have PhDs. Uyasebenza, uyahola, liyancedisana. You don't need her to be a millionaire. You just need a partner, bro.
Exactly. Lapha siyavumelana.
You understand?
Lapha
So, a high value woman for us, or rather for me, is not Oprah Winfrey. A high value woman for
wife
me.
material ku.
Wife material yimi. Ngumuntu engihlalisane laye kuhle, esiphathene kahle. If she has to contribute and if she must and she can, great.
But
right?
ukugezisa lokhu wathi kufaka ezibase yini ukuthi umuntu lo because anti umuntu obuza umbuzo
marriage I think ile duty into esasikhuluma ngayo lapha na sithi regardless of how I feel about you right now, I'm obligated to these duties. I'm obligated to provide. I'm obligated to feed and protect you. So regardless of whether ngizondele ngisoze ngilale ngilambile ngoba umfazi wami ungizondele.
So when you never marry someone who can cook?
Ngathi never. Sis yoyo thina masithanda.
I'm not cooking.
But let me tell you,
I'm cooking out never.
Let me tell you, that's what I'm saying.
Never, Mama
bro.
say never, mara ngithi
Tina
never.
Majens ispatho is not how many plaques you can hang on a wall, bro.
No.
Gents just want a warm meal at the end of the day, some head here and there.
Huh?
That is a solid requirement, actually.
Yeah, bro.
But I mean into ngicho, bro. Abantu abachadileyo.
Love babes. But like
abantu abachadileyo mase belitshela like 442 zawo like mina into lesengayize abantu abaningi. Into nama ungakakubona injalo chukuthi awukabe ready. But mawusukubona ilihlelo nalelo mipengcela usuready to settle down umuntu. I think first of all amelanga si generalize ukuthi i-wife material like
umuntu wakho uyamazi.
Like into le ukuthi mela pheke mela ngwatshele kube yi-universal lokhu zenini term esiyisebenzisa ukuthi manje sithi wife material. Into lezi ziqhathekile ukuthi hlale phansi lo muntu wakho.
When you expectan kimi mina ngiexpectan kuwe.
Exactly. Yabo and futhi into zangikhona usungathola ama expectations. One opposana lama values, lama cultural beliefs, ama background in lapho elivela khona. Like I'll give you an example, bro. Mina, I would find it awkward ukuthi umfazi wami endlini amayezoni udla ngikuqele like phansi.
It's really not
Like
that
so
deep.
uthi baba nanku ukudla lingaqeda lidle mina.
Yakwazi
No, bro.
as a sound Janet
Ngiyenqeda kuyifaka ukuthi.
No, bro. Like yabo I situation ukuthi nxa usuready sibile ukuthi no mina sengiready ukuthi husband wife hlalana phansi
okunye futhi I-compromise ngena khona
maye ilight like
late twins esibanya phela ngama true colors ethu lawo
ilanga sele
hey baba press something
welele but anyways you continue.
yeah no
you
it's
saying
fine asikho babi phela thina ukuthi sidinge light
vele
skezi okay is the audio on
yeah back now
calm
shout out
ngisithini sengikhohliwe
sengikhohlela
sengikhohliwe
Thumbnail.
right bengisithi mina na indaba ye compromise ngena khona lapho right ngoba one over mazi umuntu wakho truly speaking bro don't just date for vibes time mawujula kulezinye kufanele lokhu build up kufanele uyakubona nxa ubuild a Rico case against Uched tebe khuluma something uthi
Ijola la woman elibuilt up
Next. Dog, you've never talked to a girl and she says something and immediately in your head you're like, I cannot wife this.
Okay, yeah.
Exactly. Yiriko yona le. So kunjalo la.
awusho umtshele
Kunjalo la
khona
nxa usemjolweni. Phela girls will lie and sleep.
Yeah, but
Athi
that's
ngangilo
true.
Kero. And then maybe like 3 months later athi yakhumula laphana.
Ngilo Natasha.
Ngilo Natasha. Kero Natasha calm. Pound the notes. Fela uhluphavuke kathesi. The case iyakhiwa. You understand? So, like I was saying, uze umuntu dog kulezi izinto azikhulumayo. Okumele uzifake phansi. Uyarealize.
Realize ngani zake zayitshela amabizwa atshintsha
That's tantamount to the ick Bella for guys, Bella.
What do you mean?
The ick, like the girls, but you ick yoguti, like the guy will do something
And they go ill. Yes.
So that's tantamount to the ick.
Exactly.
Yeah, just
Chance
something
have
you're
the
like
ick as well,
"Ah,
bro.
yeah
Yeah, I understand. Yes. So, I was saying, ukuthi khona phana lisajula kulezi izinto dog. Here's the fact. You won't like everything about your girl. So you'll know ukuthi umuntu wami lo. Ngani saba lenkinga la. But I will also address khonapho. But eventually there'll come a time where you have to address those things and don't just think it's you.
yeah
Laye kulezi zinto othi nxa uzikhuluma athi la ngani ngizafa indlala.
but I'm not think guys vele le emjolo le
Yahlupha futhi.
iyekeleni le like sihlala sikhuluma abantu I'm sure bazathi sesiqale
Industry le
selikhuluma
indie
ngomjolo futhi so like
Enzani likufunayo.
enzani likufunayo
Do what you want. Wife material, husband
or not
material. Hey man,
It's
if it
fine.
rocks your boat, it's calm. Ungakhala ngokwakho, ma happy.
let's talk about serious things.
Walk on.
What do you think about Zimbabwe, bro? What comes into your head? Like
As in pain, bro. Pain everywhere.
pain.
Yakazi ukuthi ni chance. Impilo le, I think they should stop calling America like the American dream. You should have the Zimbabwean dream. Zvinoitika.
Hayi Zimbabwe mfana.
Pane avenue but zvinoitika.
Reason why mbuzana. Do you think there is a situation ukuthi nxa ufuna ukusurvive la? So we connection ube corruption like
Would depend on which end you are. What benefits are connection? Magubhlungu corruption. Give you an example. If you guys really want to get rid of corruption, stop paying those $50 at VID and actually pay the actual fine.
damn. Cawanti wonke umuntu osibukele lapho wadiza.
Wonke umuntu wadiza.
Including lathi esilokuza.
Wonke umuntu wadiza nxa kuyikuthi wena ufuna uqeda corruption. Hamba ugqoke iseat ungagqokanga iseat belt bengathi fine yalokhu yilokho uyibhadala. You follow me? So kuya ngokuthi unga. And unfortunately it's everywhere. Namhla sibhadalele
corruption everywhere.
Amahla ama-gents sibhadalela isitshwala ukuthi siwoswe quicker. Yabo. Just bro, your friend is
how?
nigga.
Nigga couldn't walk.
Yamazi nje.
Ngubhuti wakhe kade uthini?
Hayi, mina phela ubhuti kamthombo.
Ngubhuti wakhe. But anyway,
Mabizo ayachisa engakhulumi.
anyway, sharp.
Oh, okay.
Eh, eh.
Sure. Umfowabo ka Lonto njani. So, namuhla ama-gents sibhadalelwe. It feels stupid to say.
But mina ngihlezi
But it
ngibribe
was
vele.
necessary ukuthi kwenzakala. So, today besiyokudla somewhere and
Somewhere.
ubukhona wena lwabishi.
Besiye kudla somewhere, not someone. What are you saying?
Umthobaza ziyalisa ama-girlfriend ethu.
Aya mina bhebhe yakwazi ukuthi angenzi mblem.
So, namuhla sidizela ukuthi inyama yethu iwoswe fast. There's no cool way to
Hayi,
say it, bro.
Zimbabwe, bro.
Bekule line sadizela
But
kwalo.
mina into engihlala ngiyenza vele ukuthi inyama yami iwoswe fast.
Ya cheat dolphin.
The cheat dolphin para namhlanje.
Futhi basiskemini.
Yeah, because ngibona ukuthi sibhadaleleni Grand Sharp lapha.
It took too long. But yeah, bro, would you rather live in a world with no connections and no corruption? Ngcina akula ukuthi akula referral. Akula ukuthi go to Vanvani and tell them I sent you.
No, but e-connection
Everything is on
a
it's corruption.
Hayi.
Fale nepotism.
Abanayo.
Yo mfethu, it's nepotism. Konke ukuthi
No,
ngithi mina bro kulentona yami phela nje ifuna isibani. Uthi
No,
hayi le
but
ibisi la.
mana bro. In company ngiyami. The big company is mine.
Yes.
But
I-credit because umfana lo ongenayo ulama qualifications
ulaw, man, let's say ulaw.
no, but it helps. Konke ukuthi ngithenge le boys yami helps because it could have been anyone else who's just as qualified if not more.
Yiyo phelile kuze nini i-connection esisebenzelayo. Like we're putting in ama long hours ukuthi abantwana bethu bafike comfortable.
The idea with receiving CVs, going through them and calling people for interviews is so that system doesn't exist.
Utheni?
The idea with ukuthi lethana ama-CV ansesifakile advert.
Angeke ngilethi CV ecompanyini yami. Asikho emhlahlandlela lapho ukuthi siyafaka ku-newspaper.
Evundu, yakwazi evundu.
Inkampani
Ungakazi udinga umsebenzi bro.
Inkampani yami le bro. Like you understand? Like
Yes, you can hire whoever you want to hire.
government institutions and siyavuma.
Sure.
But angeke ungitshele kokwenza enkampanini yami. Mina icompany yami ma kulesiloti sokuthi umntaka Mondli abayazosebenza. Ulama qualifications. Yebo. Alright, akala 5 O levels but uyakwanisa ukubala 1 2 3 4 5. Uyakwanisa umfana ma.
Sekwena usho umntanga uzabadali. Tshela mase.
Yabo, isituation enjani inkampani ngiyami.
Uzamthatha.
Like i corruption, like
i-connection. Yes, i-connection. And konke ukuthi siqhatshe umuntu oyela 5 O levels but ku-advert bese sesifuna 5 O levels bro. Kufana le stop sign se-VID. Wonke umuntu ole-license uyasa. Wathatha i-license kobulawayo kule stop sign se-VID.
Yo,
siyasazi sonke.
Crazy business.
Angisazi isiphi sakona.
Esegedini le-VID awusazi. Ungena la nxa uphuma.
But ule license.
Ule license.
Ngathi the plum. Ngathi the plum.
Wes.
Vele angizanga.
Ungathatha plum tree ya guaranteed. Wathatha la ne plum tree.
Ayo. Bro, ngathi the plum because imgwaqo ebulayo yazi. Ayidetshwa.
Kule roundabouts. Kule roundabouts lana
mina vela ngikwazi balance imoto
ngizakutshela i-answer khulumela mina i-answer ongeke uyikhulume. It's because uyakwazi ukuthi plum tree
kudizeka lula.
Kulochuma 100
and 2 minutes 2 seconds ule license.
Kutheni mina ngidesign. Konke like from everything I design.
Okay, that's
fine. Fine, it does shine.
My Bible khona lapha ngiyathatha.
Yizo lezi
it does shine.
But Master City kule yinye ngutumelo. Athi ngirecord i-podcast lo Tumelo. Sathi abantu aba shine loyo bakhanya ngezandla ezimhlophe ngayibonisa isinto.
Yazi expose.
Ngani check mina hey baba wenzani lapho.
Ekhuhla.
But singa
digress.
namhla ngathi siza digress
Kakhulu.
because khuluma kusemakhanda antisazixoxela ingxoxo
99 for real.
corruption connection the difference
Bro, would you rather live in a world without uphendulile? Ophendula.
amphendula ngani bengisazama ukunika ilogic
Sure.
but a connection bro a connection very necessary connection is very necessary iyadingakala because I feel like as I was saying ngizama ukuchasisa sagcina digress ukuthi
Isuke njani corruption endlabeni? But anyway, yeah.
Like I'm working hard guys, you're working hard guys ukuthi ifamily yakho, your partner, your kids into zonke zibe smooth for them.
As ama signs ukuthi umuntu u relationship is serious. I got a girlfriend, ule partner. Ngathi ku doctor's appointment, right?
Stop it, I like it.
Ekhona phana kwathiwa so who you here with?
My
So, yeah,
partner.
my partner.
So babe, we should But anyway, siyabona sisiwaleka futhi.
All right.
Ngisebenzela ukuthi upartner labantwana babe not just abangani bami
In
futhi
general,
nje.
yeah.
Like imali
You rotate.
yabo but corruption the principle in me yabo ukuba ngumzalwane loku believe ku Christ yabo mina le corruption like akuvumelani in as much as have I participated
Out of pure necessity.
in maybe 1 or 2 pyramid scams
Yabo. Create.
maybe yabo. Am I proud?
Maybe. You're proud of the money you made?
Yeah.
Hayi lithi ama pyramid schemes akususa kuJesu.
Kena ke
Kukusegibhide lo
qila abantu imali chomlanga so I connection but I corruption hayi
Uthi besithatha.
but corruption hayi wena ke
I-corruption inecessary and i-corruption yakumluteno sazathi I am inevitable. Akula system engekho corrupt. It's just
But it
there's
necessary.
levels to it, bro. Right? So it's like, so you get a deal, my dog, for a meter. Anish. Still 200. Do 800. Don't take the whole 900. Yeah, bro. But also the thing with corruption is, here's what you don't understand. I hate to play the devil's advocate here. I have an insane amount of money that I am in charge of.
Like right now?
Fuck you.
Oh, this is hypothetical.
This is hypothetical.
Okay.
I have an
This is how-
insane...
This is
We
the
are
Larry
rich.
podcast.
Singena la manzi.
So I am put in charge of like a crazy amount of money, Anish. And because I have that crazy amount of money, more times than not, akula mntu ombuza ngemali liyana ukuthi yenzeni. I'll give you an example. Sikunika ibudget yokuthi wakhe i-bridge. Or rather, sikunika ibudget yokuthi ulungise koBulawayo.
Ilungise umgwaqo.
Mind you, before this job, you were poor.
Very poor.
Dirt poor. Uvele emakhaya.
Yeah.
Angisho. You look at this money, dog, those zeros, you go, choo. So at first you want to say, let me take 1,000. No one asks about the 1,000. You say, let me buy a house. No one asks about house. You say, let me buy Benz. No one asks. You say, umntwana kasuke emgiqiga eFalcon. No one asks. Now what you have done is you have created a problem. You go to all these lifestyles that you've built, you're supposed to maintain. If it's your Falcon, I saw once off. Angazi ngifuna khona nxa once off lezantshela sharp. I saw once off. Iyabhadalwa consistently. So Mercedes ifuna uservice, ifuna fuel. Umama sefuna uhamba ku shopping spree. So eventually imitha liyayigcina ingasakwani. Sengidinga 2. Kuyabuild.
So uvumelana le corruption lapha.
Corruption ngiexplaina i-corruption ukuthi the reason why abantu be corrupt kuyini. kuyalelale because abantwana thina sakhula siye airport kuthiwa trip abaka abantwana baya kuma excursions eFrance understand
Yeah.
kuyabuild okuyizinto lokhu and kuyadura and kudura consistently yabo
Yeah.
kuyadura consistently and because kuyadura consistently it means you have to keep taking if not taking more.
Yeah.
Corruption now thrives. It waters down to why you pay that $100 at VIT. Because boss man there needs his cut of whatever amount of money. So his wife goes to France. So his GT6 is fueled. So he's what.
And I feel like Zimbabwe.
And you can't do without.
Zimbabwe is a kaulisan. And I really feel like
Axel middle class. Either you're poor or you're rich.
So when you're rich.
Poor.
Go
to when is Autofest?
Tomorrow.
Whenever it's going to be.
Right,
Uzabona. You can't go to that thing in InDrive, eh? Yeah, understand. So, in middle class, Jay, akusela, bro. Either le mali kumbawuli. Unfortunately.
When I put us, what do you think about this situation right now? Like, are you
happy, bro?
Are you happy in Zimbabwe, bro?
Nah, this nigga's happy, bro. This nigga's happy.
Yeah, he's happy.
Nah, boy is happy.
Yeah, this one is happy.
Nah, boy is soft. Boy is soft. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. Sorry.
Are you happy?
Dude, you know what? I think I accept. I think he probably might be I've got a typical Zimbabwean attitude. You're good. No matter how bad things get, I'll just adapt and adjust. So
someone said Zimbabweans are like viruses.
Yes. We mutate.
Yeah.
We mutate. So,
imitator?
Mutate.
Okay.
Yeah. Why are things like this? But
I'm 15.
But I'm still gonna pour that same 20 liters I was pouring before.
Yeah. But I mean, I'm really thinking, Guti, into the attitude today is something no. I want to Zimbabwe understanding, Jan, bro. Even in more situations, like, I'll give you an example. He wasn't seven Zagachan. Lapen seven Zakona, Skati pass. Already very like, who is more understand. But this bus that I've been using for the past how many years now, all of a sudden, I'm a behavior zabangana. Ako sharp, all of a sudden.
Civilization law.
Yeah, that's correct. It's a dog club.
It's
Shang a dog club.
Yeah, like, Uguti, I pass Melisuye ngo 9.
Sisuka ngo 10 ngoba icwala.
Sisuka ngo 12 ngoba iviri somewhere lifile mele lichinjwe and inews ezinjalo zizabe yazitshela abantu bro. Like indlela abantu ababehave ngayo shocks me. Ukuthi like Zimbabweans are so understanding, bro. Like we are so like it's fine, guys.
Uyakwazi ukuthi it's when you ubuntu. Samoshwa ubuntu. Abelungu don't tolerate incompetence and shitty service, bro. It's you are trained for these things. It's just like how in slavery, umlungu wayesithi inza kushaya ngemvubu, but 90 Bible elizakutshela ukuthi umuntu angakushaya ngempama yamnika esinye isihlathi. You understand? Ungachingela umuntu omdala kulabuntu. No, but ukhulungu ujwayela kabi.
Yadelela
Phela ukuguga kutsho ukuthi usuhlakaniphini. You can be a very old
That's
fool.
Disrespect. You're disrespecting the old.
And this is why you have to wait 3 hours because a tire is being changed. That very same attitude. You can't call out shitty service. Ngenxa ukuthi yenziwa ngumuntu omdala. You understand? Akukhulunywa njalo abantu abadala and it's true. But kulama situations ukuthi ukuthi Zimbabwe ndabantu abadala kusaretire. But iservice edagwe whether ivela kumuntu omdala kumbe ivela emntweni omncane. And you should be able to call it out.
It's a tricky situation.
It's a tricky one. Yabo?
But anyways,
Zimbabwe.
What
else is on your mind? When I ngofera uyafuna uphosha.
Hayi mina ngisharp. Alande mfuna uphosha ngayo.
So what's on your mind, my boy? Could be anything.
Wait, what's on your mind? Oh yeah. By the time this episode drops, Tina says it's a K meeting.
Ninga meeties.
Uthini manje wena?
So lina lithi kuma keep meeting akwazi ukumitha umuntu. Phika ithi pe.
Pe.
Maya basentshwe ama meeting babe senze.
Ismoko lina. Je. Namhlanje ngizakhulumela amasabatha njengomsabatha lami lapha because I'm tired of this shit.
LNG mo.
I'm tired of this lost sheep. That always
What do you heathens?
Speak bad things. Yabo? Nkinga bro. Amachi ichechi. Like ichechi oyingenayo wena eyapusa lami.
Anti sathi si Satan
Fighters. All right, sharp. Sonke ichechi njalo iyabe
Bro
labantu.
is big.
Ichechi iyabe labantu aba
Dog.
iyabe labantu aba
I really hope that recorded.
iyabe lokuze iyabe labantu aba iyabe labantu.
I was just thinking, bro. It's Gora.
So many senses fala lapha futhi.
Yeah, so
Oh yeah, shit. Yeah, kanje namhlanje Friday.
Ichechi yonke.
uzophuma inyembezi ngokuhleka.
No, Jay, yazi ukuthi nani kule nto ebengizicabanga.
Mana vele
Ezingakhululekile.
sesekungaki minutes la.
1 hour.
Yeah, because
Oh,
episode
yeah.
level besenza
So we cover.
something.
Yeah. Bambani something.
Ichechi ile zone, ichechi labantu aba corrupt, ichechi labantu abamoshayo, and it's not only
Like any other institution.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
any other institution. It's not like isabata or abantu abama SDAs.
Banjalo.
Like ngabantu aba it's not like ngabantu abangawoniyo. Bahamba churches because
Bayawona.
labo bawona yabo. So
Yikho
ukuthi-
Jesu wayesemathaveni.
ukuthi sokuqalisa uku-escalator izinto just because singama sabatha. Why amasabatha li?
You know it's-
linatha?
you know what it is,
Why
Mthembu?
amasabatha li?
You know what it is,
lingadli
Mthembu?
pork? Asivele.
You know what it is, my dog. It's the reason why people were laughing at Rick Ross for flying commercial. Ungabangu Tina. We are. People are always going to call out even the little. Follow what you mean, dog. On IG, I call all of you peasants. Poor, debt broke peasants.
Amasabatha libiza njalo.
Me, I got them chova. Someone takes a photo. Don't you think that's gonna trend?
No, amasabatha like alitreat njalo guys.
Eh,
Ngilitreat njalo
gula-
mina.
gula
Ngiyabaza
ma-
ngidli
gula
pork
ma-
sibili kuma-fry, but
Ngithi mina, the reason why people call out into Zinjal
Eh.
is because Masawata will come for me. But there's a lot of holier than thou
What
attitude
for
that
you?
comes with.
they'll come for you.
So they will come for me because don't you fucking dare.
As you- no.
See, they'll come for me because of holier than thou attitude narrative. That thing is not there because Tina siyayibona and I exist. And when I personalize ukhulume ngawo. The reason why these stereotypes go about is because people feel a certain way because people are treated a certain way.
But anyways, amasabatha sise-meeting.
Inga meeting.
Lesale sharp. Isenyama endlovu.
Oh, where?
Isisolusi.
Shoutouts.
Yeah.
Elephant meat. Shoutouts. Yeah,
sizayiqedisa like indawo le. Vele into esikhulume ngazo namhla like
Yeah,
bekuyinzwisa. Asiplananga i-episode le nje.
Le bonus episode.
Yeah.
Episode 2.
Yeah, this is not a real episode.
This
And
is
I wanna see mina izigqoko zami zidabukile even.
Yeah, mina actually mbiye namuhla vele.
Touchdown.
Yeah.
Wafonelwa mina ngoba mina phela ngisi yoyo ngithanda
Awubona
izinto.
ngilokhu ngenza ngani
I feel like
ndo-
wena
ndo-
ungithembele ukwenza amanyala.
I smell bush.
No pef pef.
Not pef
Not
pef.
pef pef.
You smell bush. So,
Must smell pef pef.
Yeah, like
Yeah, bro, this has been great.
Yeah, shut up.
Where's Bob?
he's
You
outside.
know,
Hey, boy's going through a lot. Maybe let him chill.
Yeah.
But anyway, bro, this has been great. Yeah, man.
Don't forget to
Don't you think we should start having like taglines? One of my interviewers, I call it. It's your girls, and we are here with.
You are here with it's more is key. That was ucabanga. You are here with
Your favorite girlfriend's favorite boyfriend.
Anyways, Joe, let's want us Vala guys. King's Crow.
Crash again.
Oh, yeah, man, on
karaoke
Friday.
night namuhla because it's Vala, but let's want next week Friday. Futhi
Yeah.
kuzohlabela, so
Selapasa.
be-
Bryce is doing the mix and the menu on the
22nd.
That's one of my fake friends.
23rd.
On the 23rd of August, right here. Tickets are going for
$10.
$10, and it comes with a $10 meal.
Yeah.
So please, man, come through, enjoy some great food, great company,
Serious day.
great mixes, great people,
Yeah.
baddies. Kalo.
Danko.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ikala so.